बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. I am Dr. Ahmed Saeed, Professor of Forensic Medicine. We were discussing personal identification. Today, in this regard, we will discuss sex determination, how sex is determined, and also we will discuss different intersex states. Sex determination is required for purpose of identification in resolving the civil disputes in relation to marital problems, inheritance, sexual assaults, and intersex states. Sex determination in living. The sex is determined by the general physical examination, in which we will see secondary sex characters, distribution or pattern of hair, and special examination, biopsy or chromosomal studies. Then is nuclear sexing. By nuclear sexing we can determine the sex of the person. In nuclear sexing, Davidson bodies in pulleys of the blood and Barr bodies in buccal mucosa are adrenals and cartilages of the person. Sex chromosomes. The nucleus of the every cell except germ cells contains 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosomes. XY, the sex chromosome pair is XY in the male and XX in the female, making a total of 46 chromosomes. In the simplest form of developmental defect, the two sex chromosomes fail to separate and consequently the ovum may be fertilized by XY bearing sperm or sperm being deficient. Bearing sperm or sperm being deficient, resulting in XXY Klinefelter syndrome 47 or OX Turner syndrome 45 chromosome respectively. The presence of Y chromosome is necessary for the testes to develop and lack of abnormality of a second X chromosome give rise to ovarian dysgenesis. In these cases, the external sexual structures are present, but the testes or ovaries fail to develop and puberty. Intersex states, bisexuality. These refer to conditions in which male and female characters, for example gonads, body, physique, and sexual behavior coexist in varying proportions in the same individual. Defective development of a single mass of cells at some stage in early fetal life, from which the sex organs of both sexes are evolved, lead to bisexuality. Types of the intersex states are: number 1, gonadal agenesis; number 2, gonadal dysgenesis; number 3, true hermaphrodites; number 4, pseudo hermaphrodites. First is gonadal agenesis. In this, it is sexual organ, testes or ovaries have never developed in this case. Second is nuclear section is chromatin negative. In second type, gonadal dysgenesis, the external sexual structures are present, but testes or ovaries fail to develop at puberty. For example, Klinefelter's syndrome in boys and Turner syndrome in girls. Now, what is Klinefelter syndrome? This is condition of a male in which a body develops normally till puberty, but then one or more of the following features appear. Testes remain small and are usually of firm consistency. Gynecomastia may be there. Signs of chordism, for example, long arms and legs, scanty pubic hair, poor or no beard growth, etc. may be there. They are chromatin positive and their sex chromosome pattern is XXY or XXXY. In Turner syndrome, it is condition in female, they remain female till puberty and then the following symptoms appear: sexual infantilism, short stature, congenital abnormality, amenorrhea or sterility, lack of development of breast, scanty pubic hairs, there is no ovarian follicles. They are chromatin negative and the sex chromosome pattern is OX. Then third condition is true hermaphrodites. In this type, genitalia of two sexes, both external and internal, are present in same individual and equally developed. Internal genitals may consist of both ovaries and testes or ovotestes. Power of cell reproduction is not found and surgical interference is often needed for their social rehabilitation with particular sex. The nuclear sex is usually but not always female. Fourth is pseudo hermaphrodites. Abnormalities are confined to external organs. Here, one set of external genitalia is more developed than the other, which is rudimentary. There is lack of clear-cut differentiation of external genitalia, while the internal genitalia are isosexual. They are classified as male or female according to the presence of the testes or ovaries. They are of two types: male pseudo hermaphrodite or male intersex, or androgynoid or womanly man. Testes are more developed with the rudimentary uterus and ovaries. They are chromatin negative, scanty axillary and pupil hair, slit like blind vaginal opening, beard, moustache and penis may be found. Female pseudo hermaphrodite, female intersex or gynoandroid. Ovaries are more developed than testes, chromatin positive, hairless face, breasts well developed, clitoris abnormally developed, partial fusion of labia and developed vagina may be found. Then is nuclear sexing. Bar bodies. In female, XX configuration of the chromosome is present. One X is responsible for the architecture of the cells. So in females, one X is needed for cells and other is free. It is condensed and is present in one side of the cell as a homogeneous mass near the nuclear membrane called as Barr body. Female chromatin positive in 300 cells only. In cells, Barr bodies are present in 2%. Males chromatin negative, no Barr body seen in cells.